This protest is not because we hate India. This protest is because we love India so much.
Prime Minister Modi should resign because we all know who's at the center and who pulls the strings and who takes decisions.
Here at Bengaluru's Freedom Park, protests continue, not just demanding the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, but also asking for accountability from the Prime Minister and the Home Minister for the violence that took place in Delhi at Jantar Mantar. Many protesters here who are students, who are working professionals, and even parents who've turned up here are asking for accountability of Delhi police, and we've heard slogans condemning the action of Delhi police. It's been raining since morning, but the crowd seems to not mind it.
That the Gen Zs, they are always engaged in their mobiles. They don't speak up. But we are seeing a reverse thing happening. History is changed. They are disproving again and again. They are taking the beatings. Lathis are on them. Tear gas is shelled on them. But still, they are firm. Also saying that these people who are coming, somebody has motivated them to come. And they are also saying that you are a Muslim, you are a Hindu. They are trying to divert us, divide us. So we say nothing will divide us. We are united.
Modi hatao! Modi hatao!
This can be a daughter, it can be a son, I don't know. But if it's a daughter, I want my daughter to come home safe. My daughter or my son is going to be a student one day. And speaking of this protest, I mean, the students who are asking for the future they need is the future my child is going to have. And please give our mother India to us. I'm just going to, carry this baby for 9 months. After that, Mother India is going to carry my baby for generations. And I want my baby to have a safe and healthy nation here. And yeah, this protest is not because we hate India. This protest is because we love India so much that we see that it could do a lot better.
It's nice that the students have led this movement and actually reduced a lot of fear. A lot of people from cinema itself are speaking up. There are critics who say that just because this movement is getting popular, there are people from film industry supporting this also. But it's not. I feel it is not the case. A lot of people know the truth, know the reality, but just out of fear, because we know, we have seen what happened to Shah Rukh Khan. They targeted his son, so anybody would be scared. So they're scared. That's all. So once that fear goes off, once they are able to overcome their fear, they'll definitely be out.
In a repetition of the scenes that we saw in Delhi, there were smaller incidents of a section of protesters asking a section of media, both Kannada and English, to not report from here. We also heard chants of Godi media go back, where protesters objected to the coverage of certain news channels, which they believe are pro-government and not showing the demands of the protesters here as they are.
This is how they create an opinion, create a narrative, using all their paid media, the Godi media, and their IT cell and the team.
The biggest protests are unfolding in Delhi. Thousands of students and citizens have taken to the streets demanding accountability. But this isn't just a Delhi story. Across South India, too, people are gathering in solidarity. The crowds may be smaller, but the demands are just as powerful. This is no longer about one resignation. It's about a system that people believe must be held accountable. My colleagues and I will bring you stories from these protests across the southern states. We are here to report for the public, about the public. And as usual, support our journalism.